If you're considering Saifs AI, you're probably wondering if it's truly worth the hype. In this review, I'll cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this newly released software, and by the end, you'll know if it's right for you. Stick around, because I'll also tell you how you can try Saifs AI completely free through the first link below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. There's a lot to unpack here. Let's start with the core functionality of Saifs AI. This software is designed to simplify complex tasks by automating workflows, making it ideal for marketers, content creators, and even small business owners who want to save time while boosting their productivity. From the moment you log in, the interface is sleek and intuitive. You won't waste time fumbling around with complicated settings or tools. If you're new to AI or have tried other software before, you'll quickly appreciate how easy it is to get started. One of the standout features of Saifs AI is its ability to generate high-quality content in seconds. Whether you're drafting blog posts, social media content, or even email newsletters, Saifs AI can provide suggestions, write entire articles, and even fine-tune your existing drafts. It's not just about speed, the content quality is impressive too, making it a solid tool for marketers looking to churn out consistent, relevant content without sacrificing quality. But here's something you need to understand. This isn't just another AI tool. It's built with a deep learning model that's constantly updated. That means it gets better and more efficient over time. Unlike static AI tools, Saifs AI continuously evolves to understand the context of your work, improving its accuracy and relevance in real time. This makes it stand out in a crowded field of software tools, especially for digital marketers who rely on getting the best, most up-to-date results. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the customization options. Well, Saifs AI allows you to personalize outputs based on your preferred writing style and tone. Whether you want your content to sound professional, casual, or even conversational, it adapts seamlessly to your needs. For anyone who values flexibility, this is a big win. It gives you full control over the final product, which is crucial when you're producing high-stakes content for your brand. Another key feature is its built-in analytics. Unlike many AI tools that only provide content generation, Saifs AI also provides real-time data about how your content is performing. You can track engagement, tweak your strategies, and see results faster, which is essential for any digital marketer trying to stay ahead of the curve. This integration of AI with analytics is a game changer, ensuring that the content you generate isn't just high quality, it's also strategically sound. I can't forget to mention how Saifs AI integrates with other tools you already use. Whether you're on WordPress, HubSpot, or even Google Docs, this software has easy integration options that ensure it fits right into your existing workflow without disruptions. So if you're already using a range of tools, this one will slot in smoothly. Now you might be asking, what about pricing? Here's the best part. You can try Saifs AI for free. That's right, you can test it out before committing to any plans. And after seeing how it performs, you'll have a solid idea of whether it's the right tool for you. If you're serious about scaling your content efforts, this no-risk trial is the perfect opportunity to experiment. But there's one last thing I want to highlight. Saifs AI isn't just another gimmick. This is a fully functional, results-driven tool that can genuinely make a difference in your business. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and after using Saifs AI, it's made its way to my list of top recommendations. Remember, the link below lets you try it completely free, and after you've had a chance to test it out, you'll understand why it's making waves in the AI space. So if you're looking for something that offers real value, I highly recommend giving Saifs AI a shot. As always, I've left my recommended AI tools in the description below, all available for free trials. After testing countless AI software options, Saifs AI is at the top of the list, and I can't wait for you to experience it for yourself.